Okay, welcome everyone. Welcome to PSM Perfect Solution for Math. I think some of you have already joined. Good afternoon, all of you. Yes, good afternoon. So several members have already joined. So today we will learn, but we will wait for 5 minutes because some of them are coming. So it is not a time. Again, 3 minutes we have. So we will start now. So those who have came just now, just you have to tell your name or hi, non hi, yes, you have to tell. So all of you, those who are here, just you click yes, comment yes and send it to me. And some of you are asking me how to comment also, because sometime what will happen when you are doing the messaging means when you will comment, so they are asking for create a channel, so you can click on OK in that. Okay, so I think this is audible, yes, all of you audible it is. If it's audible, you tell me yes. Yes, Sandesh Shetty, you are here. Okay, Sujan Naik, I think, who is it? I don't know. Mantasha is here. Okay, Nidhi, you are here. So 12 members have already joined. Yes, it is audible, and you can see the display. Yes, I will change the display. Just you have to tell me it is coming clearly or what. Yes, it is coming clearly. Okay, Russell, you are here. Very good. You can see the display. Yes, yes. Disha, you are also here. Sagar, okay. Bhumika, Twisha, okay. Is Prashant, Charitra, okay. Suvarna, Vandana, all of you are here. I think it is Ganapati, I think. Okay, 15 members you have already joined. Again, we will wait for 2 more minutes. After 2 minutes, we will start today's class. Okay, so wait for 2 minutes. Umaji, but you tell me who is it. Okay, Amit also you have joined. Very good. So some of the important questions, it will be useful for you for the exam, 10th exam. Nandini, you are here. Good. So 18 members have joined. Again, tell your friends to join, because we will start quickly. Today's session is very important. Okay, Sankalp, you have joined. Pratvish, okay. Chandrasekhar, Kaushik, you have joined. Okay. Sanjana M, okay. Sanjana M is here. Anand, I don't know who is it. Priya is here. Okay, I have sent the link and you can join. I already sent the link, so maximum you are here. Sir can't hear your voice because I'm not talking. Now I'm talking. Is it audible for you? Is it audible for you, all of you? Because I kept it for the mute for some minutes. Again, we have 1 more minute. Let us wait. Now you can see the screen, no? Display, it is clear, yes? Display is clear. Display I am talking about. You write down display, yes. Means if it is clear, write down display, yes. otherwise I have to adjust. Yes, okay. So anyone want to join now? Okay, okay, thank you. So today, before starting the lesson, I will inform you one thing. I will give one question for you. Okay, quickly you have to solve that question, and who will solve it first? So we will see how many of you have done it quickly. For them, a special thing I will give you. Not now, after the opening of the school. So till then, you have to be quick enough to solve the problem. And anyone question is asked, who have answered it quickly, I will note it down, and maximum numbers of students, those who will answer quickly first, no, for them it is means whole live classes, those who will send it quickly first, for them it will be. And one more thing, some of you will see the video little bit late because you are came late, so make it live. Okay, forward that video little bit, you have to forward that video and make it as a live. Understood? So those who have started now, it may be showing from the start beginning, so make it live, so you can forward that and you can see. I think maximum of you have joined, so now I can start this. Okay, all of you are ready? I think all of you are ready. I think take one paper in your hand, means one book and pen. Now only I will give 1 more minute time. Quickly take the book and a pen in your hand, because while solving the problem you have to be quick enough. Okay, Royan, you also joined the class, very good. Okay, now we will start the lesson. Welcome to PSM, Perfect Solution for Math. I am your tutor Suman PF. Let us start with the intro. Okay, so today when coming to the first question, the doubt was asked by a person. The question was, if the sum of n terms of an AP is 3n square plus 4n, then find the common difference of the AP. This was the homework question. Okay, this was the homework question, and several members have already solved. But the question over here, it is not direct question, and note it down in your notebook this question and write it down. It is 2 marks question. Now only you can write it down. It is 2 marks question, important question. Understood? So it will not be asked for the 4 marks, but it will be asked for only 2 marks, but it is also very important. So according to the question, what they have given that, okay, I think internet is not there, it seems. I don't know who is that. Ganpati, I think. Make it clear before starting. Okay, you are ready, I think. Okay, now let us start. Yes, so according to the question, who is telling not hearing? You are not hearing. I think it is audible for everyone, yes? Nandini, you have texted as you are not hearing, so it is audible? Tell me yes or no. Yes, it is audible, yes? Yes, very good. So you have some problem, I think, make it clear. I have raised it to high, okay? It is more, last it is, again I can't increase the volume. Okay, stop texting now. Now I will start. Okay, let us start now. If the sum of the n terms of an AP is 3n square plus 4n, then find the common difference of the AP. It was the question. So here the thing is, they have given that sum of the n terms of an AP, sum of the n terms of an AP is nothing but what? Sn. Okay, there is a signal problem with whom I don't know. I think several members are talking about the signal now. It is clear, no? It is showing everything, or it is somewhat difference we will get. Some of you are telling the signal problem. If you have just start, now only you inform me, because after going to the class again you can't. Okay, Varma Lakshmi, I know that the signal problem you have or what, just you have to inform me just now only. Okay, it is clear, yes? So I think you have the signal problem, make it clear. Okay, now we will start that. So here we have Sn. So Sn is equals to the sum of the n terms they have given. So Sn is equals to 3n square plus 4n. Okay. So in the question they have not mentioned anything else. They have told you to find the d value. So they have given the d is equals to what we have to find. Here they have given anything else. They have not mentioned the a value. They have not mentioned the n value also. So a value is we don't know, n value we don't know. So how to find this question? So they have also told you to find the d value actually. So how to solve? The solution is very easy actually. So here whenever the given in terms of an equation, always you remember, so that n value we can give it to anything. Okay. So we can give as a 1, or n value as 2, n value is 3, or n value is anything else also. So remember, now you can take if n is equals to 1 first. Okay, n is equals to 1 when you will take in this equation Sn, the thing will happen as instead of n, what I have to substitute? I have to substitute as 1. So S1 is equals to 3 into where you can see n, no, there you have to substitute as 1. So n square we have, so I have to write it down as what? 1 square plus 4 into, what is the n value? Just now we got, we have taken as n is equals to 1. Yes, this is our assumption. Understood that n is equals to 1 is our assumption. So where you can find the n value, there you have to substitute as 1. So now 3 into 1 square is 1 plus 4 ones are 4, and here again calculation 3 ones are 3 plus 4. So S1 value will become what? 7. This is the first thing we have to write it down. Why it is so important? Who will tell what is S1 actually? What do you mean by S1? Anyone who will answer it fast? I want to see. What is S1 actually? Yes, very good, Kirti. You are very fast. S1 is nothing but the first term. Yes, Sanjana, yes, you have answered now. So S1 is nothing but the first term, because if I will give one example, I will give you. This is not based on this example. Okay, what the problem I am solving, it is not based on that. But I will give you one example because you have to understand. So if you have one AP, for example, 4, 9, 14, 19, so on. What is the meaning of S1? So how many terms you have in S1? S1 means only one term, that is A. That is the first term, A1. Okay, then this is A2, this is A3, and this is A4, and so on. So S1 is nothing but A1. Understood that here the value is what? 4. In this example, the S1 or A1 is equals to 4. Understood? So similarly, what is the S2 value will be? S2 is nothing but what? Plus first term plus second term. Yes, A1 plus A2 we have to add. That is nothing but the sum of the two terms. So A1 is nothing but what? What we have here? That is 4. And what is the second term over here? The 9. So it will be 13. So S2 value will become 13. Like this way we can find S1, S2, S3 also. What is S3 then? Who will answer? What is S3? How you will find S3? What thing you will add? So I have given time, quickly. Yes, A2 is 13. No, A2 is not 13. S2 is 13. Yes, someone is telling that 27 is the final answer. Okay, very good. That is Sandesh Shetty, you have given the correct answer. And Mantasha, you have also given the correct answer. S3 is nothing but A1 plus A2 plus A3. The three terms we have to add. First term, second term and third term. If you will add all the three terms here, 4 we have, 9 we have, 14 we have. If you add all the three things, we are going to get the 27 as the final answer. So this is the thing basic you must remember, that is the S1 means A1 the only one term, S2 means first term plus second term, S3 means first three terms you have to add. So similarly we are coming back to this question. We will come back to this question. Okay, in this question Sn is equals to 3n square plus 4n. We have got S1 is equals to 7. So S1 is nothing but what? A1, that is equals to what? 7. Means S1 is nothing but the first term. Understood? So S1 will be taken as A1, that is equals to 7. Okay, this is the first thing we have finished. So here it is not stopping, we have to move further. Now we have taken, if n is equals to 1, now we have to take what? N is equals to 2. So whenever the equation will be given like this way, Sn is equals to 3n square plus 4n or anything else, how to take the n value by assumption, that is we can take 1, 2, 3, 4 as it is. So if n is equals to 2, so now we have to substitute for the same formula. Sn is equals to 3n square plus 4n. Similarly we have to move. So S2 it is. So S2 is nothing but 3 into, now in the place of n what we have to substitute? In place of n what we have to substitute? That is 2. So here we have n. So I have to substitute what? I have to substitute 2 square plus 4 into 2, because n value I have to take as what? 2. Understood? Because we have taken n is equals to 2. So now S2 value will become what? 3 into 4, 2 square is 4 plus 4 2s are 8. So 3 into 4, 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 8, 12 plus 8 is nothing but 20. So S2 value is 20. So now I am asking, okay, Chetan you are telling 2, okay, doubt you have? Not S20, S2 it is, S2 is equals to 20, okay. S2 value is 20. So now this is the thing you have to understand here. S2 is nothing but, I have taken an example over here, yes. S2 is nothing but what? A1 plus A2. S2 is nothing but what? A1 plus A2. Sum of the first two terms, means first term and second term, if you will add, it is nothing but the sum of two terms. So here we have to take, instead of S2, what I can write it down? I can write it down, instead of S2, A1 plus A2. How we got that? S2 is equals to A1 plus A2, because here you can clearly see S2 is nothing but sum of the first two terms, that is, that example we have taken as 4 plus 9. 4 plus 9, yes. So it became 13. So here we have to add A1 plus A2. Those who have doubt over here, how you got that S2 is equals to A1 plus A2, you can ask me. Okay, anyone having doubt here? I have written S2, instead of S2 I have written A1 plus A2. Anyone having doubt? If you have doubt, just you write the comment, you have a doubt. Otherwise, tell me, okay, don't want to know. Those who have doubt, just tell me yes. No doubt. Okay, no doubt. Very good, very good. Those who have doubt, ask. Don't hesitate to ask. Okay. So A1 value. Now, what is the A1 value? A1 value already we found. A1 value is nothing but what? 7. That is most important. So A1 position I will write 7, but A2 value we don't know, that is equals to 20. Okay, next we will continue. 7 plus A2 is equals to 20. This is one example that we don't want now. If you want, I will rub this. So now that is the important part. Second part is very important. Now we will solve. Continue. So A2 value is equals to 20, we will write down as it is, but the 7 can be shifted on this side because 7 is a known number. Known number, 8 is unknown, so we have to keep that A2 here only, but the 7 we have to shift. Here we have plus 7, so it will become minus 7. So 20 minus 7, how much? That is 13. So A2 value is nothing but 13. So these two things are enough to say that to find the D value. Actually, we are not finding the A1 and A2 value, we want to find the D value. But to find the D value, we need A1 and A2. Why we need that A1 and A2? Because D is nothing but what? A2 minus A1. This one is very important to remember. If you don't know D, what is D, then you can't solve this. D is equals to A2 minus A1. A2 value just now we found A2 is nothing but 13. A1 is nothing but 7. So 8 is 13, A1 is 7, that is equals to 6. So that is the final answer. What they have told you to find, that is the common difference is equals to 6. D is equals to 6. And Mantasha, you have answered already. Ryan, you have answered. Sanjana, you have answered. Chetan, you have already answered. Very good. So D value is 6. So those who have any difficulty, any doubt regarding this, you can ask me. Actually, this is the important question for your exam. Write down, very important, and write it down, 2 marks question. Okay, so don't miss this. Those who have doubt, ask. So see here, instead of Sn is equals to 3n square plus 4n, anything they may give. Sn is equals to 2n minus n square they may give, or 2n square minus n also they may give. Anything the question may be, the method is same. You have to substitute the n value as 1, and next you have to take the n value as 2, and you have to find the answer. Those who have a doubt, just you text me, you have a doubt, I will explain once again if you have a doubt. Otherwise we will continue. Anyone, if you have a doubt, write down as yes. If you don't know, don't have a doubt, write down no. Okay, here Vedant, you have already joined. Very good. Okay, everyone you don't have any doubt, but if you have a doubt, ask me. Don't hesitate to ask. I am here to clear your doubt. Okay, Suraj, you also understood. Okay, I think then you don't have any doubt regarding this. Pratvish, you also don't have any doubt. So those who want to write it down, write down quickly. Or afterwards also you can check this once again, because this is a homework question and very important question. So I can move on to the next question. Yes, I will move on to the next question. Next doubts some of you have asked, so I will move on to the next question, or I have to wait? No, I have to move. Yes, okay. Okay, we came to the next question. We are here to the next question. Prajwal, go through the question correctly. You have came over here. So Prajwal, if you have a doubt, just you have to ask me. Anytime you can ask, and all of you. And Ganpati, yes, you are texting now. You are asked doubt that you can't comment. So now you can comment. And all of you are online. Yes, full doubt. Yes, Suraj, you have doubt. Yes. Which doubt you have, Suraj? Suraj, what doubt you have? The first one question, before this question you have doubt. Suraj is not responding. Doubtful. Okay, which doubt you have? From the starting, this question or previous question? I am asking about this question or previous question. Continue, sir. Okay, I will continue, but Suraj have a doubt it seems, but which question I don't know. Suraj, one thing you do, which one you have doubt now, just you note it down now, and afterwards you text this one now. In WhatsApp you can send the question. I will solve that once again for you. Okay, so now for the moment we will continue. Okay, this is the one more question. This is the one more question that they have given as a doubt, and it is also a homework question. Some of you have done this and some of you have already shown it to me. But what is the doubt you have over here? That is very important. Because this question, so those who have shown as a homework, no, everyone have not shown this question. Some of you have solved this question. So how many of you have doubt in this question? Just you tell me yes, no. How many of you have doubt in this question? Just you have to tell me yes. Those who have a doubt. If you don't have a doubt, don't text me. Don't comment me now. Those who have a doubt, just you tell me yes. This is also important question in arithmetic progression. Yesterday I was talking about this because you will have nearly 9 marks, 8 to 9 marks on this lesson. Okay, very important. Yes, several members have a doubt and some of you don't have. Okay, maximum of you have a doubt in this. Okay, maximum of you have a doubt. Amit, you don't tell the answer quickly because I know you already learned this. So very good, you are very quick in this, but we will solve this. Okay, coming to the solution. Maximum of you have a doubt, some of you don't have any doubt in this. So let us start now. So while solving, before solving, first we have to understand the question. Pawan started work in 2002. Okay, the question is, person called as a Pawan is working, he started his work from 2002. That is the year they have mentioned. They have not mentioned the which total year, how many years you have worked over there. Okay, so 2002 is the first year. For the salary of 7,000. Okay, salary also is given and received an increment of rupees 400 each year. Every year there is an increment, it seems, and that increment is 400 rupees. What is his income in the year 2016? So the question is indirect, not a direct question, it is an indirect question. So what they have given, I will write it down. He started the work in 2002. Okay, so he finished, means he was in the year 2016. So his salary you are going to count. So his 2002 from 2016, you have to remember this 2 years. His salary, it was first year 7,000. Okay, next gradually increase in 2003. It is increased by how much? 400 rupees. So what is this 400 refers to? 400 is refers to a D value. So next year it will be 7,400. Understood? So 7,400 is the next year increment. So D value is 400. Very good. So next year 2004, what is his salary will be? So again 400 increment he will going to get. So it will be 7,800. So similarly it will continue till 2016. Okay, the question arrives over here. Very importantly, one thing you have to remember, this 2002 what we will see, no, that is nothing but the A1, and 2003 is A2, 2004 is A3, and so on. What is this 2016 will be, that we don't know. That will become the AN, means which term it is we don't know. This is not the amount, 2016 is not the amount. So this is the most important. Here the first term is 7,000. A1 value is how much? 7,000. And A2 value is how much? 7,400. So here I will not confuse you, directly I will write it down. A value is nothing but 7,000. It is clear. Next increment we have, that is 400 increment. So D value is equal to 400. Okay. Now I know you will make it wrong. What is the thing we have to find? If you are finding what is the salary in 2016, yes, what is the salary in 2016, that is nothing but you have to find AN. His salary you are counting, he is not total sum of salary you are not counting, only salary is counting. So AN value you have to find. But while finding the AN value, what we need actually, AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into d. So here a value already given, that is 7000. D value is already given, but what is the n value? So n value I want to find. What is that n value? Quickly all of you take a pen and find the n value. Okay, maximum of you are telling 14. So n value I need. So what is the n value? Quickly. All of you are going for the 14. Very good. Anyone is there leaving that 14? Anyone with the 14, leaving the 14? All of you are going with the n value. Amit, I want to ask you. Okay, Amit, I want to ask you because you have already learned this. So what is the n value, Amit? Ryan, you can answer here. What is the n value? Whether the n value is 14 or anything else. Whether the n value is 14 or anything else. Okay, some of you, Vedant, you are telling the answer 14. Okay, Ryan also you are telling 14. Actually, n value is not 14. It is like a shock for you, yes? So we will take one example. Why it is not 2014 it is?